So first of all, Shimnit New Fire is a JV between two companies, which is Shimnit and New Fire. New Fire has 5 decades of experience in the firefighting field, which basically fire runs in our blood, making us understand the subject very well. We started off testing this system around 3 years ago, specifically for the automobile sector, and we got approvals from CIRT in 2023 and a technology transfer from DRDO in 2023, which then enabled us to do this business in the auto sector. And the combination of two companies from the auto sector and the firefighting sector makes us ideal in this field.
शिमित न्यू फायर की बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट है। बच्चे का सेफ्टी है, वो जान बच के रात में गाड़ी जा रहा है, बस में सब लोग सो रहा है, इमीडिएटली कुछ भी हो गया अलार्म बचेगा, स्मोक डिटेक्टर इमीडिएटली अलर्ट करेगा, लोग उतरेगा कुछ तो उसके बाद सेफ्टी भी, वो आदमी सेफ्टी हो जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टी भी, उसका बस भी बचेगा, इमीडिएटली सबका सेफ्टी हो जाएगा। इतना बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट बनाया, सुपर प्रोडक्ट है ये। अभी लोग का जान भी बचेगा, प्रॉपर्टी बचेगा, और आगे एवरी बसेस का, एवरी गाड़ी में मैंडेटरी है।
When you talk about EVs, it's quite a complex subject because lithium-ion battery fires work in a very different way than regular fires. You require specialized solutions to put out those fires. Nowhere in the world is there an actual guidelines to put out lithium-ion battery fires. So we are working with ARAI we have our own agent to put out lithium-ion battery fires, and we are testing it out right now. And hopefully we will see guidelines come into play, but we want to be the first mover in that sector. So the AIS 135 regulations, which is by the MOT, Ministry of Road Transport Vehicles, came out in 2021, wherein they mandated all school buses and long distance buses to have an automatic fire suppression system in the engine bay to start off with. And then 2 years later, which is in 2023, they revised or amended that rule to have an automatic fire system in the passenger bay. This basically makes it foolproof, or makes it very easy and automatic. In case there's a fire, it'll automatically suppress and detect the fire. That's the main the rule, and also it's for the safety of school bus children and long distance travelers. So the major challenge, as I was saying, was there's no guidelines in place. So if there's no guidelines, people are using conventional systems for lithium-ion without having knowing exactly what the repercussions will be. So till there are guidelines in place, there's not much you can do but R&D and technology development, which we are doing, testing with ARAI, testing with many EV players. So we are on the way to having a full-fledged product for EVs as well. So the automotive sector is quite broad. We are not limiting ourselves only to buses, although that's a starting point for us because we got our approvals in the bus sector. But moving forward, we also want to provide our solutions to the mining sector. We want to also get into fire security for trains, because there's so many passengers that fly on trains on a daily basis. Apart from that, we also want to get into the aerospace sector. So anything to do with firefighting security in the auto sector as a whole, that's our vision and goal.
क्वालिटी बढ़िया है। हम लोग 200 व्हीकल्स का अब तक मैं इंस्टॉलेशन करा है। सर्विस अच्छा है, क्वालिटी अच्छा है, और एवरी ऑन टाइम में डिलीवरी देता है। बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है।